unboxing the Sanus 42 to 90 TV wall mount. Advanced tilt. Swivels up and down. I think it's like 15 degrees. Left and right, 5 degrees. And let's see here. You'll love this mount because cut out. Okay, let's open this up. Okay, so you get your instruction booklet. You get your template for your wall. This is where our 90-inch TV is going to go, so tape this to the wall, drill your pre-holes. You can go on their website, it says, to actually get all your measurements. And what do we have here? We have the bracket. Back of the TV. Got your bolts. These are going to anchor into the wall with the TV mount, so those will go in there. You get this Allen screw because you can be able to adjust this, and also what's good about this one, you could actually slide the TV left and right along the track. So ours is pretty much centered, but if we wanted to slide it a little bit left or right, you could. And here's our more. These are the bolts you get depending on your TV. Your TV could take the M8s, 35s, 45s, 25s, depending on the size of your TV. These will be the bolts that go back onto your TV, and you will connect it to the frame here. That's the open box. That is the Sanus Advanced Tilt 42 to 90.